So we're here, brother. How are you feeling about everything?
Feeling good. It's a nice day out.
It is. Very beautiful day. Nice area.
Cody just showed up. Look at him.
Yeah.
Good old boy.
And we got Big C heading down the street. Look at him. Oh. We got the pack out.
Where's Caleb?
Fully loaded. Ready to pull some parts. Look at that. That's a shop on the go.
What are you hauling all that stuff for?
Shits and giggles.
Hey, where are you going?
Look at that. There's a Jeep.
This guy's on exploration mode.
Found the next potential. Ooh, the black one.
Yeah.
Missing. Ooh, it's already ready to roll for us.
Oh no, it's a little.
Ooh, it's the 99.
Needed a white cross member too.
The white cross member.
Not that it matters too much, but
We need the bumper too.
and we needed a bumper grill.
This one's missing lights though.
Yeah, the other one looks a
There you
little nicer.
Still a good find though.
Look, look at that
There
guy.
he is.
Must
Did
have
you
gotten
find
lost.
one? We found two, but there are no bueno.
Not as high.
No,
One
we
has
found one that was older. I mean newer, so it wouldn't have worked. And then one didn't have the grill or headlights, but it had a front bumper and a white core support.
Justin brought the whole shop with him today. Start tearing her apart.
You'll never catch this guy not ready, not prepared. Yeah, so we're looking for 98, 99, or 2000 to get all the parts that we're gonna need off the front end.
What year we got?
And
So,
a 2002 right here. It was on the window.
So this won't work, right?
No. Here, look at this. What? Woohoo!
Uh-oh, we found another one.
98, this is a winner.
Oh, the green one.
I'll take the green one. There we go. That's nice too. Nice fenders. Oh, look at this camo pinstriping, dude. Look at this. That's clean.
Probably a big hunter.
Yeah.
Totally hot. Dude,
It's got the emblem so you know it doesn't run.
you like this one?
Yeah, this is way nicer than the other ones.
Yeah, the other
No
one.
dents or anything too. It looks like it's hanging straight too, so the bracket should be good.
Is this the one?
Yeah, why not?
I don't know.
I think that'll do.
All right, what are you guys tackling first?
So we're gonna be taking the fenders off
Okay.
so that we can have access to the spot welds. We can make the core support removables, like bolts in and bolts out. So we want the complete unit, so we're gonna have to take all this off and cut it cleanly out.
Right on.
Need to put it.
Dude, are those my channels?
No.
Are those my channels?
Caleb gave me those.
Yeah, Caleb stole them from my toolbox.
No.
Wow, dude, the truth comes
This
out.
guy, man.
He was like, I have like 3 pairs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why I have none now.
You're like, I did have.
I used to have 3 pairs.
This is gonna be might be our most useful friend.
Dude, this whole contraption, can't even find the right tool.
It's me 18 or 19.
I have an 18 wrench and a 19 wrench right here. And here's a 19 socket.
Ooh.
And here's an 18 socket.
Ooh.
Dude,
Dude, this guy's
The electric ratchet.
that's right.
probably in your pack out.
Good one, dude. It wasn't.
Looks like we're just using the crescent wrench for everything. Dude, this is gonna take forever.
This will make it go
Oh,
just a little quicker. Oh, there we we go.
Oh.
Just get in there with your paw.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Glad Justin stayed behind to help. Some guys, huh?
Did you guys look at the cars over there?
We were worried sick about you.
Dude,
we thought we lost
got thrown in the back of a van or something.
I'm all trapped under the car. Oh, it is a Mercedes.
We were hauling our heavy loads out and we're like, dude, look at this guy, just ditches us right when the work starts.
Yeah.
Dude, is this thing a diesel?
Like orange hood. Where's the latch on this baby? Sometimes they like stick out and pull out right. Oh, right here. Check that out. Little stinky bastards. Right there on the inside. Looks like a big block, boy. Woohoo! Was that an Edelbrock? 4-barrel? Quadra-jet?
Is this the next build or what?
Could be. Oh, look at that. That's like, it looks like a baby pee pump right there.
It is.
So cute. Yeah. Swap these things in for miles. This old B20 K20 VTEC. I think it's out of a Toyota.
The moment of truth.
98 Ranger.
600, I'm guessing.
Really?
Actually, yeah, 486.
Oh, nice. I thought we were gonna pay more for these parts than the Ranger.
Do we get a discount if the car almost fell and killed me? Okay. But if it did kill me, you guys would just give us the parts?
Yeah.
Basically no charge at that point.
Did you see the sign?
We're out of here.
Dude. Nice, it's taller than you are.
We got the haul. Good job, boys.
All right, boys, good day at the junkyard.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Really good find.
Yeah, we got the haul.
Everything we need?
Yeah. Should get our front end dialed. At least we have a fender now too.
Yeah, we went green.
Brings us back to the Dodge.
What is that, real tree?
Yeah, that's that camo pinstripe.
Ooh, we both.
Okay.
Time to go put it on.
Want to do that cool thing where you like hit the camera?
Whoops.
So we just got back from the junkyard and we picked up a lot of good parts. As a lot of you might have noticed in our previous videos, the Ford Ranger was lacking the whole front end grille, headlights, and fender, bumper, all that stuff. So we needed to replace that. So that's what we set out today to do, and we picked up a load, dude.
Yeah, we went to the junkyard, got whole front end, just cut the core support off, so it was easy. We didn't have to disassemble any of this, but we'll drill that out and then spot weld it into the old part. And then we got this new fender with the cool reel tree pin striping on it.
Oh, damn.
Got ourselves a nice bumper and a fender well.
Yeah.
And some lights. Didn't have lights before.
Yeah. And all this stuff is really clean, you know, like no dents in the bumper, fender, anything. We got really lucky.
Over here.
Over there.
We got, Pat already drilled out all the spot welds. So this is where it was hit and obviously tweaked. So we had to drill all those out. He put the screws in just to keep it shape, but we're gonna take that off and hopefully get that another one on there right now. So.
Alrighty.
Let's
get into it.
All right, so we got the core support all on. Everything fit up good. We're just mocking it up right now. A lot of stuff's gonna come off again, so we didn't really want to put it fully together and take it off. But the main thing fits, which is nice.
Yeah, everything's straightened out on this end and everything's pieced together really nicely.
So also we aren't getting the rear end from the junkyard. We're probably just gonna get a custom housing made for the right width, because I don't really want to get a rear end out of a 70-year-old vehicle. But besides that,
yeah, we'll get all new internals for that, all new housing.
Yeah.
Make it a little easier than rebuilding an old one. So
I think that was our only junkyard trip we'll need to go on. So.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Just remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we'll get back to you in the next one.